Nous avons retrouvé 17 victimes, dont
We have found 17 victims, including 9 injured who were evacuated to the Yopougon hospital and 8 dead who were handled by the proper authorities. So there are still reportedly 2 buried victims, and we're waiting for the required equipment to continue our research.
C'est un vrai drame, vous le dites vous-même. J'ai tenu à venir ici au nom du gouvernement.
It's really a tragedy, as you said. I wanted to come here in the name of the government to be sure that there is no danger to the local population. The victims are casualties of a work accident, but the government will be by their side with their families because the demolition is part of a vast government program.
Lancé par le gouvernement.